within a certain time frame or a certain day?
Just by the end of the week, this week, Judge.
You call him by the end of the week, and I'm sure he can go through this again with you to make sure you're doing what you want to do freely and voluntarily.
Okay.
Because you can plead not guilty and set this for trial, which is what we're doing. But you can also plead guilty and admit it to take advantage of the plea agreement, which is what I think you started out wanting to do.
Yeah. But I
And
mean,
but
wrong
you
is
don't have
wrong,
to
I
say
say,
anymore.
and I think they were wrong.
All right. Well, if you don't want to take advantage of the plea agreement, then trial's your way to go. So I'm going to excuse you at this time and continue on the bond. And this time, from this point to trial, will count against the defendant. You may go. You are excused.
Your Honor, there is one final matter.
Yes.
Your Honor, the state's understanding, as previously indicated on the record, is that a plea offer was advanced by my office contingent upon a plea being entered during today's hearing. The state would withdraw all prior plea offers at this time.
All right. Understand that. The plea offer is gone. It's not an option anymore.
Okay.
Okay. All right. You may go.
All right. Thank you.
We'll be in recess again. Mr. McClendon, thank you so much for appearing.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
May I be
welcome.
excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. All right. Who do you have now? Is this, what's this lady's name?
Valdivinos.
Valdivinos?
Yes.
We are on the record in 2024, TR 3213, State of Kansas versus Sabrina Nicole Valdivinos. Please announce appearances.
Chair Review on behalf of the state.
Your Honor, Darren Patterson appearing on behalf of Sabrina Valdivinos, who does appear personally at courthouse security. Judge, this is a case where the contact information we had some typos in it, so we didn't have ability to contact her before. We do have the correct information now. We did attempt to do a breakout room to get through it, but there just wasn't the ability to do it in this short a time. I would need to ask the court to continue the case so that we can have additional time to discuss the case and how to proceed.
Well, it's a registration and an insurance. She either had them or she didn't. It goes back to December 3rd of 2024. I'm going to ask you to take a breakout room with her and try that one more time.
Oh, I've got the charge. I've looked at it and I've got the reports, but there is a need to take, I think, quite a bit of additional time to go through the court processes, procedures, charges, and how the options are. And at 11 o'clock, I hate to take that time with everybody else waiting, Judge, but again,
Yes,
if the court wants me to take 30 minutes to do it, I will do it.
Ms. Valdivinos, you wanted me to appoint you an attorney, and I did, and then you didn't go see the attorney and make an appointment before today?
No, I did. I went right across the street the same day that you gave me the information. I gave the receptionist the information. They said they would contact me. I never got contacted. I just showed up today.
You didn't take the time when they didn't contact you to contact
They
them
told-
again?
Yes, the lady at the front desk told me that they would call me before today.
Okay, but they didn't, so why didn't you call them?
I was just waiting. I honestly, it literally just, I didn't even think about it until today. And I'm like, I never even heard from him. I wonder, will I see him there? Do we talk there? I didn't understand how this whole thing worked.
Listen, all of you that are accused, you're the ones with jail time hanging over you, not your attorney.
Well, I didn't
You're
know
the
how this
one
works.
Stop arguing with me, please.
No,
It's your responsibility to contact the attorney. It's your responsibility to make an appointment. The attorneys, if they're any good, they're going to be very busy.
I understand that. I just
Stop
thought they worked
arguing with
different.
me. Do not interrupt me.
I apologize.
Well, then stop talking. and everyone take a learning experience from this. It's your time that the jail could be holding, not Mr. Patterson's, not Mr. McClendon's. It's you with the charge. And you have the responsibility to make sure that you get yourself in a position to be ready for the next court hearing. I don't set these over for 2 months so that you can just kind of wait for somebody to call you. It's your responsibility. All right. What's that October date we have to set this to?
October 6th, Your Honor.
At your Miss Valdivinos, because you didn't call your attorney, this is being set over to October, what date again?
October 6th.
October 6th, 8 a.m. Be back here October 6th at 8 a.m. And don't be coming in here telling me that you waited till then to talk to your attorney because you thought he would call you. Are we clear on that?
Yes.
I will continue the $1,000 bond you posted March 12th, 2025 on your own recognizance. But you better be here with your attorney ready to go. If there's nothing further, we'll be in recess. You may go.
All right, let's talk about that. This hearing, featuring Judge Webster and defendant Sabrina Nicole Valdivinos, had all the makings of a teachable moment, and the judge was more than happy to do the teaching. We were dealing with a case that, on its face, sounded simple, a registration and insurance matter from back in December. But this wasn't just about missing paperwork. It became about missed calls, missed responsibilities, and, ultimately, a missed opportunity to resolve things. Today, from the get-go, Valdivinos' attorney made a reasonable request to continue the case, citing lack of time and communication mix-ups. Apparently, the contact info on file was riddled with typos, and they just didn't have enough time for a breakout room discussion. Judge Webster wasn't exactly thrilled, but to his credit, he still gave the defense a shot to get things sorted, till it became clear that the real issue wasn't time or technology, but follow-through. Valdivinos explained that she did go to the public defender's office after her last court date, gave her info to the receptionist, and waited to hear back. She never did, and crucially, she didn't follow up. That's when Judge Webster shifted from managing the case to delivering a stern civics lesson. He reminded everyone in the courtroom, and honestly, everyone watching, that when your name is on the docket, the responsibility is yours. The phrase, "you're the one with jail time hanging over you, not your attorney," hit hard, but fairly. The judge made it clear this wasn't about being mean. It was about being real. If you're facing charges, you don't get to passively wait for help. You've got to chase it down. Despite the friction, Judge Webster stayed professional. Yes, he raised his voice a little. Yes, he cut off repeated interjections. But even while being firm, he didn't lose his temper or his focus. And that's not easy in a courtroom full of folks learning the system one uncomfortable moment at a time. He kept her bond in place and set a new court date for October 6th, giving her another shot, but with a very clear warning not to come back unprepared. And that's the kind of moment that reminds us the courtroom isn't just about penalties, it's also a place for accountability and, hopefully, growth. So, while this hearing didn't involve any high drama or heated legal arguments, it did spotlight something that matters just as much: personal responsibility. And sometimes, that starts with just making the phone call. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone.